Born from Genesis 1 verse 3, where God says, "Let there be a light." My name is Bonakala. Welcome back to my channel, everybody. Welcome and thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers. On today's video, you guys, we are going to be celebrating the 1K by simply unboxing the Sony ZV-1 Digital Camera, which comes with a shooting grip. I hope you guys will definitely do enjoy that video, and if you have any suggestion of name that we should name this camera, please do so and comment down below. This camera was purchased on Takealot. I will do the link below for you guys to see where you can get it and read more about it. Inside the box there is a USB cable, a battery, and of course the camera. So I'm just gonna leave it here for us to see what's inside this white thing. Look at that. Do you love her? Oh my gosh, look at that. I love her so much. I live for her. She's beautiful, she's cute, she's portable, she's all a classy lady wants. Okay, I'm joking. Like, it's a very beautiful camera. I love it, you guys. I really do. It's the flipping for me. Oh my goodness, that is so great. That is so nice. We are celebrating 1,000 subscribers. Open. That's open. And I think this is where the battery goes. Okay, let me just try and put that in. Don't judge. I have no idea what I was doing, but all I know is I was trying to figure out how to place this inside so that I can be able to switch on and actually just see what happens. But anyway, guys, if you do have a suggestion of a name, or if you have any questions, please do leave them down below. I will definitely do respond to you, my darling. The SD card goes through where there's a battery. I did not show you guys that, but however, this camera does not come with an SD card, so you will need to purchase that on the side. It was a struggle here, I'm not gonna lie. I think I spent about 5 minutes trying to figure this out, but finally I got it and I felt so proud of myself. Yay! This is our camera, everybody. How is it? What can we name this baby? Look, I literally love it. Okay, let me just... Other box, it has the tripod, and yeah, I did unbox this, so I'm just gonna show you here. We have like a small manuals. One thing about Sony, they will put manuals. And there's our tripod. But as to connect this to the tripod, very simple. I think it's something like this. I'm not sure. Yeah, and this is how it looks. Cute, right? I'm not sure if this is... That is the camera. We're gonna test the microphone. That's how it looks when it's on. And yeah, look at that. It is me. I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be. For now, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do hit that subscribe button, like and share. Thank you, and see you again. Bye for now.